Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the Maths class. All of you open your Maths textbooks. Open page number 56. In previous classes, we had discussed greater and smaller concept, right? So, on that concept, today we are going to do one more exercise. In yesterday classes, we had did two exercises, right? Today we are going to do some more exercises. Okay? All of you open page number 56, right? See here. In each set, circle the greater number. See children, here sets are there, right? In each set, there are two numbers. So from the two numbers, what we have to do? We have to circle the greater number. Means big number. Okay, children? So see the first set here 5 and 3 is there, right? From these two, we have to circle the greater number, means big number. Okay, children. See, children, number 5 comes first or number 3 comes first? 1, 2, 3, right? 3. Next, 4, 5, right? So, 5 is the big number because 5 is the after number of 3, right? 5 is the after number of 3. Means in between 3 and 5 there is number 4, right? So, after number of 3 is 4 and 4 after number is 5. So, 5 is the greater number. So, circle the number, children. Okay, here we have to circle greater number, means big number. Comparing to the two numbers in the box, we have to circle the big number. Okay, and next, see here 9 and 5. See the second set, there is 9 and 5. Okay, so 9s come first or 5 comes first, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we had 9 and 5, right? 9 and 5. So, 5 comes first. So, 5 is the smaller number. After 5, so number 9 comes, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 5 only, the number 9 comes. So, 9 is the greater number, means big number. Comparing these two, 9 and 5, 9 is the big number, means greater. Okay. And see the next one. Next 4 and 7. Okay, children, from 4 and 7, we have to circle the greater number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? In these numbers, which numbers we had? 4 and 7, right? So, from 4 and 7, which is the big number means, which is the greater number means 7. Because after 4 only 7 comes, right? After 4 only 7 comes. So, 7 is the big number. Okay, children, like that, do these 5. Okay. Do these 5. Okay. Now come to the second page. That is 57. Count the items and write the numbers in the space given. Here items are given in the boxes, right? So we have to count the items and we have to write the numbers in the boxes. Take the set that shows the smaller number in each pair. So then after counting the numbers and writing the numbers in the box, what we have to do? We have to select the smaller number. Here we have to select the smaller number and we have to tick on the smaller number. So I told you smaller means less items. Smaller means less items. Takkunna items ni smaller antam. Okay. So, we have to take the smaller number. See, first one is already done. Here, violins are there, right? So, in the first set there is only one violin. So here they are written 1, and in the second set there are 1, 2, 3. 3 violins are there. So here they had written 3, right? So see children, here there are less violins, or in this set there are less violins. In the first set there are less violins because there is only one violin, right? So first set is the less set, smaller set, right? 1 is smaller number or 3 is smaller number? 1 only smaller number, right? Because 1 comes first, then the 3. So they had stick to the first one, right? So like that we will do the second one. See here crows are there, right? These are crows. So in the first set, let us count how many crows are there. 1, 2. So there are totally 2 crows. So in the box write number 2. Okay, and in the second set 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 crows are there, right? Here totally 4 crows are there. So write 4 here. Okay, now from these 2 sets, we have to take the smaller number. Means we have to see in which set there are less crows, right? So in the first set there are only 2 crows. In the second set there are 4 crows, right? So comparing these 2 sets, which set has less crows? First one, right? Because here we had only 2 crows. Here we had 4 crows. So 2 crows is small, right? And next, see the next set children. Here butterflies are there. Okay. First let us count the first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally in the first set there are 6 butterflies. Right? Now count the second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the second set there are 8 butterflies. Okay children, now we have to compare these 2 sets and we have to take the smaller number. So see children, 6 butterflies are less butterflies, or 8 butterflies are less butterflies. 6, right? Yes, 6 is the smaller number than compared to the 8, right? 6 is the smaller number than compared to the 8. So tick on the 6. Okay, last one you will do. Okay, you all do the last one. Okay, what is today's your homework? In page number 56, you have to complete these 5 sets, and in the page number 57, do the last one. Okay. Okay children, this is about today's maths class. All of you have a nice day. Bye children.